to all. My name is Mehdi. I am studying second standard section in Veloma Vidyastham Mambakkam. I am here to present a speech on disaster management. First, what is disaster? Disaster is calamity of a sudden happening which is caused by natural disaster or any man-made disaster. Some of the natural calamities are flood, volcanic eruption, thunderstorm, tsunami, landslide, etc. And some of the man-made calamities are nuclear explosion, radiation, transport, accident, fire, epidemic, disease, etc. Hi everyone, I am Ritika. I am going to talk about disaster management. What is disaster? A disaster is the serious damage to environment. It destroys the beauty of the place and it takes many people's lives. There are two types of disaster. One is natural disaster, like earthquake, cyclone, tsunami, etc. Next is the man-made disaster, like deforestation, etc. There are pandemic, like the recent coronavirus also comes under disaster. There are 4 phases in disaster management. First is mitigation. It reduces the consequences of disaster. Second, preparedness. In this, we plan what to do, where to go, whom to call during the disaster. Third is response phase. Disaster, we protect ourselves. The last phase is recovery. Natural disasters cannot be avoided, but man-made disaster can be avoided so that we can live in a beautiful environment. Thank you all.
Natural disasters happen without any warnings. Disaster management is done based on the severity of the natural disaster. Natural disaster can even affect a person's mental stability depending on its impact. There are many governmental organizations which handles the natural disaster quite tactfully. After every disaster, people should know how to cope with the situation in a better way from the learnings which they got out of previous experiences. The people who get affected by the natural disaster should get attended to ensure their safety. Moreover, the preparedness and the precaution can help us to overcome any kind of disaster.